Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to fix your laptop or PC overheating while using or gaming in Windows 11. So let's begin. First of all, you'll have to go to your search and then type in control panel and then hit enter. Over here you'll have to go on the top search and then type in power options. You'll have to click on the first option over here. Now whichever performance mode is selected, just click on the change plan settings and then go to change advanced power settings. Over here you'll have to scroll down and then click on processor power management. Over here you'll have to set the minimum processor state when plugged in to 99% instead of 100%, and then repeat the same for the maximum processor state. Change it to 99% for both instead of 100%, and then click on apply. This would reduce the temperature of your laptop or PC. Hope this video would have helped you. If it did help, do subscribe to our channel and drop a like. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.